Ever feel like your bank account is playing a cruel game of hide and seek? You're not alone. Financial stress can sneak up on us, affecting everything from our emotions to our productivity. It's like trying to juggle flaming torches while riding a unicycle, stressful, isolating, and downright exhausting. But what if I told you there's a way to break free from this cycle and find motivation in the midst of chaos? In today's video, we're diving deep into the hidden costs of financial challenges and, more importantly, how to overcome them. We'll explore how to reframe your thoughts, reconnect with your community, and build resilience, all while maintaining a sense of humor. After all, laughter might just be the best budget-friendly therapy there is. Before we get started, here's a question to ponder. How do you perceive your financial situation, and what story are you telling yourself about it? Could changing that narrative be the key to unlocking a more empowered and positive outlook? Stick around as we unpack these ideas and more. Let's get started. Chapter 1. The emotional toll of financial strain. The moment you glance at your bank account and realize how close you are to running out of money, a wave of anxiety can wash over you. It's a feeling that many of us know all too well, where financial stress becomes a constant companion. This emotional impact of being broke can be overwhelming, leading to feelings of hopelessness and self-doubt. It's as if you're stuck in a never-ending cycle of worry, where every decision is clouded by the fear of not having enough. Financial struggles can seep into every aspect of life, affecting not just your wallet, but your well-being. The weight of financial anxiety can be paralyzing, making it difficult to focus on anything else. It's like trying to run a marathon with a backpack full of bricks. You might find yourself questioning your self-worth, wondering why you can't seem to break the cycle of poverty. The frustration of juggling bills and making ends meet can feel like a never-ending battle, leaving you exhausted and demotivated. But here's the thing, you're not alone in this struggle. Many people face personal finance challenges, and understanding that these feelings are common is the first step toward overcoming them. It's important to remember that financial resilience isn't about never facing difficulties, it's about how you respond to them. By embracing a mindset shift for financial success, you can start to see beyond the immediate challenges. One way to manage financial anxiety is by setting small, achievable goals. This can help you regain a sense of control and direction. Budgeting tips for low income can also be incredibly helpful, allowing you to stretch your resources further and reduce stress. Seeking support from friends, family, or financial advisors can provide the encouragement and guidance needed to navigate these tough times. Breaking free from the cycle of financial strain requires a proactive approach. It's about focusing on what you can do with what you have, rather than dwelling on what you lack. By taking small steps and celebrating each victory, no matter how minor, you can build momentum and confidence. Remember, overcoming financial struggles is a journey, not a destination. It's about progress, not perfection. In the end, the hidden cost of being broke isn't just about money, it's about the emotional toll it takes on your life. But by acknowledging these feelings and taking steps to address them, you can transform financial strain into a catalyst for growth and change. It's about finding hope in the midst of hardship and building a future that aligns with your dreams and aspirations. Chapter 2. Understanding financial constraints. Continuing from the emotional toll of financial strain, it's crucial to delve into the different levels of financial struggle and how they impact our lives. Financial stress is a multifaceted beast, manifesting in various forms that affect people differently. For some, it's the constant battle with cash flow issues, where the paycheck seems to vanish before the month ends. Others grapple with financial insecurity, where covering basic living expenses feels like an uphill climb. And then there are those facing the harsh reality of absolute poverty, where even the fundamental needs for survival remain unmet. These challenges weigh heavily on motivation and productivity, creating a cycle that feels impossible to break. Financial constraints can make you feel trapped, as if you're stuck in a maze with no way out. The stress of managing limited resources can be overwhelming, affecting not just your wallet, but your mental well-being. It's a daily struggle that leaves you exhausted, constantly worrying about the next bill or unexpected expense. But here's the thing. Understanding the root causes of these financial issues is the first step toward finding a way out. By identifying what's holding you back, you can begin to develop strategies to manage financial anxiety and regain control over your life. One effective approach is to explore budgeting tips for low income, which can help you maximize your resources and reduce financial stress. It's about making conscious choices that align with your financial reality rather than being dictated by it. Embracing financial resilience means adapting to your circumstances and finding creative solutions to overcome obstacles. Breaking the cycle of poverty requires a proactive mindset, focusing on what you can do today to build a better tomorrow. Overcoming financial struggles is not just about cutting expenses, it's about a mindset shift for financial success. It's about seeing challenges as opportunities for growth and learning. By taking small, consistent steps and celebrating each victory, you can build momentum and confidence. Remember, financial success isn't a destination, it's a journey. It's about progress, not perfection, and with the right mindset, you can turn financial constraints into stepping stones toward a brighter future. Chapter 3: The impact of stress on productivity. Now let's delve into how stress impacts productivity, especially when financial stress is at play. It's not just about feeling stressed, it's about how stress becomes a productivity killer, narrowing your focus and making it difficult to address broader issues. Financial constraints can weigh heavily on your mind, creating a cycle where financial insecurity and the pressure to meet basic needs take center stage, leaving little room for motivation and productivity. When you're constantly worried about money, your brain goes into overdrive, trying to solve a problem that isn't immediately fixable. This stress can make you feel trapped, unable to focus on anything else. It's like being stuck in a mental maze, where every path leads back to the same overwhelming financial anxiety. The impact of stress extends beyond your mental state. It affects your ability to plan and execute tasks. When you're broke, even simple pleasures seem out of reach, making you feel isolated and stuck. This isolation can stall your inspiration and motivation, the very tools you need to break the cycle of poverty. But there's hope. Managing financial anxiety is crucial. Start by breaking tasks into manageable steps and practicing mindfulness to regain control over your thoughts. Embrace budgeting tips for low income to stretch your resources and reduce stress. Building financial resilience is about finding balance and creating a plan that aligns with your goals, even when resources are limited. Remember, overcoming financial struggles requires a mindset shift for financial success. Focus on what you can control and take proactive steps to improve your situation. By addressing stress and its impact on productivity, you can transform financial constraints into opportunities for growth and change. Recognizing the importance of a mindset shift for financial success is key. It's about embracing change and finding creative solutions to overcome financial struggles. By focusing on what you can control and taking proactive steps, you can build financial resilience and break free from the cycle of poverty. It's about finding balance and creating a narrative for your financial journey that includes setup, confrontation, and resolution. In the end, understanding financial constraints isn't just about recognizing the problem. It's about empowering yourself to find solutions and build a future that aligns with your dreams. By tackling these challenges head-on, you can transform financial stress into a stepping stone for growth and change. Chapter 4: Overcoming Isolation and Finding Motivation. As we continue our journey through the hidden costs of being broke, it's crucial to address the role of financial stress in fostering social isolation and its subsequent impact on motivation. Financial constraints can make you feel like you're stuck in a bubble, disconnected from the world around you. When money is tight, social activities often take a back seat, leading to a lack of motivation and inspiration. This isolation can create a negative feedback loop, where the absence of social interaction further diminishes your drive to tackle financial struggles. It's a bit like trying to light a fire without a spark. But here's the thing, breaking free from this cycle is possible. Understanding the mind-body connection is key. Thoughts trigger emotions, which lead to physiological changes. By intercepting this process, you can manage the hormones that cause stress and anxiety. Reconnecting with others is a powerful antidote to isolation. Even a simple phone call or a walk with a friend can release oxytocin, the love hormone, which helps counteract feelings of loneliness. Sunlight and fresh air can boost serotonin levels, improving your mood. Exercise releases endorphins, and setting small achievable goals can provide a dopamine boost, all of which contribute to increased motivation. Overcoming financial struggles and social isolation requires a mindset shift for financial success. Focus on what you can control and take proactive steps to build financial resilience. It's about finding balance and creating a plan that aligns with your goals, even when resources are limited. Remember, breaking the cycle of poverty isn't just about managing your finances. It's about reconnecting with the world around you and finding motivation in the connections you make. In the end, addressing the hidden costs of being broke is about more than just financial management. It's about understanding the interplay between financial stress, social isolation, and motivation, and using that understanding to foster growth and change. By tackling these challenges head-on, you can transform financial constraints into opportunities for a brighter future. Chapter 5. Reframing thoughts and emotions. As we wrap up our exploration of the hidden cost of being broke, let's delve into the power of reframing thoughts and emotions. Financial stress can often lead to a cycle of negative thinking, where every thought about money seems to spiral into blame and guilt. But what if you could intercept these thoughts and transform them into a source of motivation? The first step in reframing is to catch those negative thoughts as they occur. Write them down, and when you're in a better state of mind, consider how you might replace them with action-oriented, positive alternatives. For instance, instead of thinking, "I'll never get out of this situation," ask yourself, "What small step can I take today to improve my situation?" This approach gives structure to chaotic thoughts and can calm the overwhelming feelings that often accompany financial constraints. Another technique involves creating a play for your emotions. Identify a few emotions that store your productivity and motivation, and write a short, dramatic scene for each. When these emotions arise, act out the scene. This exercise can provide comic relief and lift the weight of negativity, allowing you to express yourself creatively. Reframing isn't just about changing thoughts, it's about shifting your mindset. By practicing gratitude, mindfulness, and seeking support, you can foster a mindset shift for financial success. This involves embracing a more balanced perspective, where setbacks are seen as opportunities for growth rather than failures. Ultimately, overcoming financial struggles requires patience and consistency. By reframing your thoughts and emotions, you can build financial resilience and break the cycle of poverty. It's about finding balance and creating a narrative for your life that includes setup, confrontation, and resolution. Remember, this is the last chapter of this video, but it's just the beginning of your journey toward a more positive, empowered outlook. As we conclude this journey, let's take a moment to reflect on the hidden costs that financial challenges can impose on our lives. We've explored how financial stress can weigh heavily on our emotions, impact our productivity, and lead to social isolation. But more importantly, we've uncovered strategies to break free from these constraints and foster a mindset shift for success. Remember, you're not alone in this struggle. Many have walked this path and emerged stronger, and so can you. It's about taking small steps, reframing negative thoughts, and embracing the power of connection and creativity. It's about finding balance in the chaos and transforming setbacks into opportunities for growth. Now, here's a question to ponder. In the face of financial challenges, what small change can you make today to not only improve your situation, but also inspire those around you? Reflect on this as you continue your journey. Thank you for joining us. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content that empowers and inspires. Remember, every step you take is a step toward a brighter future. Keep moving forward, and we'll see you in the next video.